Okay, so we're going to do some complex analysis now. And now this integral is similar to the integral in the link in the description below, but with a very different result. So if you click on the link below, you'll see a similar integral to this. You can follow that. So onto this one. So we're going to take the integral of e to the I pi z over z plus 3 with respect to z over the simple closed contour gamma. So gamma is the point z minus I equals 2. So first of all, let's just draw that up on here. So z minus I is a circle centered at I with radius 2. So that'll be 3I. You go through points 3I and minus I. So let's just draw that up. And that's the real, and this is the imaginary axis. Okay, so that's our gamma that we're interested in to integrate this function. And now we're interested in the point of here of the singularity of this function here. So the singularity is at z equals minus 3. So this point minus 3 is going to be out here somewhere. Okay, so that's not actually in the circle. So what we do to get the answer to this, we'll use Cauchys integral formula and a special result to Cauchys integral formula. So let's just write that down on here. Cauchys integral formula. Put a star next to it because it's a special result. So what we do say is that this here is a simple closed contour. So gamma, simple closed contour. So any circle like this, simple closed contour. So what we do now is, this has got a radius of 2. So we pick a number between 2 and 3. So let's say we pick a region. So the region R is similar to this. We'll just write it like that. Z minus I equals 5 over 2. We can just use that if we like. So now what we do is we just draw this region here now, just outside of that. See, it's in between the 3 and this point 2. So what we do say is now that the singularity of this function here, minus 3, is outside of both of these. So minus 3 is not in gamma or R. So the integral across gamma, e to the I pi z over z plus 3 dz. What we can say is that this is 0. And that's a special result for when doing the integral of these formulas here. Okay.